differentiation. So ito naman, ang problem natin for today is a picture 5 feet high is placed on a wall with its base 7 feet above the level of the eye of the observer is approaching the wall at the rate of 3 feet per second. And how fast, and yung nahanap sa atin is how fast is the measure of the angle subtended at her eye by the picture changing when the observer is 10 feet from the wall. So yung so dito nga is 10 feet from the wall siya, so bale 10 to. And yung hinahanap natin is yung eye niya raw, yung angle ng eye niya, pag nakatingin siya sa may wall, gaano lang mabilis change yun with approaching siya doon sa wall. And ito yung, so ito kasi, ito is kasi siya, para mahanap natin siya, is, kailangan natin muna itong A2. Yung A2 is, yung theta 2 sub 2 is equal to theta plus theta sub 1. Yung theta sub 1 natin is yung angle na subtended dito sa may base ng picture. So, para makakita natin yung theta, is ang gagawin natin is equal, i-transpose natin itong yung theta sub 1, so theta sub 2 minus theta sub 1. So, yan na yung parang guide natin. So, dito nga, ang gagawin natin is may application siya ng sa Ottawa. So, kung sa may tangent is opposite over adjacent, ito naman sa gagawin natin is yung cotangent. So, sa cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So, ito x over dito sa may y. So, dito sa may theta 2, kasi dalawa diba siya? So, dahil theta pangahanap natin, so cotangent theta sub 2 is equal to, so dahil nga yung theta 2 sa off na is yung dalawang angle, so kapag natin ito yung dalawang height na 7 and 5, so 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, so x over 12, kasi kung sa may toba is opposite over adjacent, sa may tangent, sa cotangent naman is adjacent over opposite. And ito namang cotangent theta sub 1 is magiging, dahil na itong sa baba lang ang theta sub 1, so x over 7. So yan na yung dalawa natin pwede gawin dito. Pero tayo na, ang hinahanap is yung theta lang, angle theta and angle theta sub 2 and theta sub 1, i-inverse natin siya. So yung theta sub 2 is equal to cotangent x over 12 and theta sub 1 is cotangent raised to negative 1 x over 7. So para silang may raised to negative 1. So dahil na dyan, mayroon tayong value for theta sub 2 and theta sub 1. So ito na siya. Theta is equal to cotangent raised to negative 1 x over 12 minus cotangent raised to negative 1 x over 7. So i-derive na natin ito. d theta over dt is equal to, ang derivation kasi dito is, pag i-derive natin siya is negative 1 over 1 plus x 12 squared and 1 over 12 dx dt. Kasi may x, kaya mag-aantay ng dx dt, isasama natin po mamaya sa dx dt minus negative 1 plus x7 squared 1 over 7 dx dt. So, simplify natin ito. Ang simplify natin siya, may dalawa niya. dx over dt all over, negative siya, all over 12. squared over 1 more 4 plus parang x over 7 1 plus after na may nangyay ka pala, simplify na, tawag is, i-input natin mga value. So, dx dt is 3 feet, 3, and the x is 10. So, ang gawin natin is negative 3 over 12, 1 plus 10 squared, 144, plus 3 over 7, 1, 10 cubed, 49. So after natin mag-input mga value, simplify na natin. Mag-simplify na sila. Dito. So, 2 delta over dt is going to be 1/4 over 1/4 over 2/4 minus 3 over 7 49 over 149. And yan. Which is equal to 0.558. So ang ating d theta over dt is equal to 0.0506 per second. So ito ngayon nahanap natin yung d theta over dt, which is itong nahanap natin ng 3 rad per second yung answer natin. Ito yung final answer para mahanap natin kung ano abilis yung measure ng angle nag-change with the observer approach the image. Wow! So yun na yun, and thank you, maraming salamat. Tapos.